Good morning, guys. Today is May 11th, and we're gonna make a quick review about Bitcoin. There's nothing new to add since we are in a sideways market. This is gonna be very boring for a few months based on what I know. So, the only thing I wanted to point it out today was this reaction of RSI. I think I've told you that we were actually expecting this reaction, because only two things could have happened here. We could have go through this line, but that would require lots of volume, lots of capital. So this downtrend line is keeping Bitcoin in this range right now. This is how you're supposed to see it on a weekly time frame. This downtrend line is keeping Bitcoin in this range. Now, like I told you, in a sideways market, scalpers and day traders, they make way more money. And yesterday, before we talk about what happened yesterday, so we know that we have one reaction, second reaction, a third reaction, and that's a fourth. A trend line with full reaction, a trend line in a weekly time frame, big time frame. Full reaction is the trend line that will in the future decide what's gonna happen with Bitcoin in the next few months and eventually even next year, because it's a big time frame. Okay, we all have eyes on November the 1st, where we getting close. If something has to happen, this thing will probably happen somewhere here, and then after that, whatever happened after this period is what I call being in an unknown territory for the bull market, and I won't be there in this time. So I wanted to talk about this, but we're gonna go ahead and look for the daily time frame before we go anywhere lower. So we're still in this range right there, but the most important thing is the RSI once again. But this daily RSI, as you can see, we will probably stay here, and this is gonna get boring over time. The deeper we get into this sideways, the more boring it is, because the range gonna squeeze. And then maybe, for an example, we had 45.63, and this is probably gonna be the next one, and then and then the squeeze gonna happen until we get absolutely nothing, no real not enough space to make money actually. But since it's a big time frame, day traders, they can still have fun and enjoy it. Now, I did place a couple of line, but honestly, when it comes to the what you can do, what you can do is, as a day trader, I assume, what I do generally, in what I ask people to do. For an example, in a swing trading perspective, in a sideways market, there's actually nothing you're gonna do. So it's either you sit and learn, read books, that kind of stuff, because you're gonna have to spend a lot of time in this market, or you can open a small account like I do in Kraken. Small account, nothing serious, just to train yourself with leverage and real money, because I think you should be exposed to the toughest form of trading as early as possible, because most people think that they are the same. Most people think that you're gonna learn to trade spot before merging. They're not the same form of trading. It's a different psychological reality. So I think that you should be exposed yourself to the toughest form of sport, or to the toughest form of trading as early as possible, which is leverage and real money. Okay, I mean, if you're trading paper trade, that's not real money. Get into the real stuff as soon as you can. And in crypto, you can start with small money. So this is the moment to train yourself on day trading, because it's easy to buy overbought, sell oversold, buy oversold, sell overbought. Develop new strategies. For example, get used to this low time frame on 5 minutes. But overall, for Bitcoin, there's absolutely nothing to do. Yesterday we had a big drop. People calling the bear, they start being happy about that. But this is a sideways movement. We're gonna have this kind of thing a lot. Big drop that really doesn't trigger any bear market. Big bull run that doesn't trigger the next major leg. It's just gonna happen for a few months, and we're gonna stay in this range for a long time, based on my opinion. That's my analysis. So that's it for Bitcoin, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and make sure you join the virtual Bitcoin community. There's many other analysts, different style, fundamental, technicals, and even more speculation sometimes. But we do have many discussion, and we trade openly, and it's all free. Okay, at least a certain part of it. So go ahead and use the link to join the community, and have a good one, guys. Take care. Bye.